What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nakul and my channel's name is Ride with Nakul. In case you find my videos useful, I would request you to please subscribe. That helps. So the plan for today is to go to Superbike in Delhi because I want to get the front fork protectors or axle protectors or axle sliders, whatever you want to call it. I want to get them installed. So most of the protective accessories I have gotten installed from the Kawasaki dealership itself. Just this one is remaining. For this one I've chosen the Moto King store in Superbike. I asked around a few people, also called up a few stores, and this was the one which gave me the best price. So I thought let's go with that only. Unfortunately, the Superbike market was closed today due to Republic Day celebrations. But fortunately, some of the shop owners were still around. So one of them, Bengal Assembly Motors, thanks to them, they opened their shop for me and installed the RNG front axle protectors as well as tank grips as well. I hadn't intended on installing the tank grips, but I can already feel the difference. My thighs do have better traction against the tank, so I guess this is a useful accessory, not just a gimmick, what I thought earlier. I'm about to reach home in about 15 minutes. And if it's still visible and bright, then I'm gonna make a walk around and show you all the accessories that I've installed on my bike, along with their prices. Alright guys, so let me show you what all accessories I've installed on my bike till now. Let's start from the front. These are the RNG axle protectors or the front fork sliders. I got them installed for rupees 4500. I think there are Evotech and huge ones as well. Evotech ones are about 5500 rupees, but these RNG ones seem good enough to me. Moving a little back, this is the radiator grill protector. This one is from Evotech and it cost me about 11,000 rupees. I got it installed from the showroom itself because this was one of the essential things, you know, because if your radiator guard gets damaged, not the radiator guard, but if the radiator itself gets damaged due to flying stones or debris, it can be very costly to replace. So right out of the showroom I got this Evotech radiator grill installed, and other than that, also right out of the showroom I installed these huge frame sliders as well. Now these ones are a little inferior to the Evotech ones, those are better. So if you are about to install the frame sliders on your Z900, I would suggest go for the Evotech ones. Huge ones are not that good, but I wasn't aware of that at the time. So plus I got them installed right at the time of delivery from the showroom itself. So these one also cost about 11,000 rupees, and these frame slider and the radiator guard combined, they cost me about 20,000 rupees from the showroom itself. Okay, so we've covered the front axle protector, the radiator grill, and the frame sliders. Other than that, these are the tank pads. Now earlier I used to think that these tank pads are sort of a gimmicky item, and I hadn't installed them for the longest time, but it's only recently that I decided to go ahead and install them, and I can actually feel the difference. These give my thighs better traction against the engine, against the tank, especially when I brake hard. So I would suggest this is a good investment. Plus they don't cost as much. These ones are not from any particular brand. They cost me about 1800 rupees. And other than that, this is the One Design tank pad. This one cost me about 2000 rupees. It protects your tank paint from getting scuff marks due to rubbing against your belt buckle or your jacket zippers, etc. And what else? Yeah, I guess that's about it. Oh yeah, I also have this Bobo mobile holder. This one cost me about 1100 rupees on Amazon. It does have a vibration dampener, but I'm not sure how effective it is, because before installing a mobile phone holder, you must be sure that it doesn't transfer too many vibrations to your phone on rough and bumpy roads, because Apple actually recommends against mounting your phone on these kind of phone mounts on bicycles and motorcycles, because the phone gyroscope or the camera autofocus can start to malfunction. So be careful about this one. Don't skimp on this accessory. Get a good one if you can afford it. I personally don't mount my phone that much, so this one works for me, and it does have a vibration dampener. I'm not sure how effective it is. Now, yeah, these are the only accessories that I've installed till now. I haven't installed the rear spools or the paddock stand supports. I'll do them later when I buy the paddock stand. And yeah, another glaring miss which you can obviously see, and a lot of people comment and tell me as well, that you should get a custom exhaust. So yes, the next thing that I'm planning to change is the exhaust, but I'm gonna go for a slip-on only. I'm not planning to change the headers or get this decatted, get the bread box removed or anything. I think a slip-on will be good enough for my use for now. Later on, if I feel like changing the headers as well, I'll do them later after a few months. For slip-on exhausts, I'm considering the MIV Aero and SC Project CRT, although the SC Project is a little more costly. So let's see which one I go with. I'll keep you guys posted. Other than that, if you have any queries, as usual, please comment below and ask me. I'll respond to them. And yeah, if you find my videos useful, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video as well. Thank you. Bye.